Hey friends, welcome to my channel. So I bring today Rajasthan Public Service Commission to 2016 question paper of sociology. So let's start without delaying. Who is the author of the book Social Thought from Law to Science? Alex Inkslis, Peter Berger, C. Wright Mills, Howard Baker. So correct answer of this question will be Howard Baker. Let's also revise another books of given thinkers in another options. Like Alex Inksel uh, write a book called What is Sociology? It's very famous and come to many exams. Peter Berger Invitation to Sociology. C. Wright Mills books are Sociological Imagination. That's how we can learn many question in one question. So this technique is called relation. We can associate and relate to the other another thinker. That's how we can memorize many things. Sociology is the science of institutions. Who said this? McIver, Bogardus, Durkheim, Sorokin. So correct answer here will be Durkheim. And one another statement is very famous, which comes in exams. McIver, society is the web of uh, social institutions. I can call, yeah, like just like this. And this statement is also very famous and comes in many exams before. Question 3 is asking an asynchronous society is one in which members have low intelligence, there is no formal head, there is no political system, anarchy prevails. So, answer of this question will be there is no formal head. Option 2. Question number 4 is asking who's accepted the term culture refers to a social heritage. Leslie White, Broom and Selznick, Hobel, Kingsley Davis. Let's also अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन इन हिंदी वर्जन. किसने संस्कृति को सामाजिक विरासत स्वीकार किया है? लेस्ली वाइट, ब्रूम एंड सेल्जनिक, हॉबल, किंग्सले डेविस. As far as I remember, I have doubt in the question, so I will clarify in next video. Please don't mind me. I am new here, and so I everyone learn from gradually. So please don't mind me. I will clarify in next video. Moving on to the next question. Whose are not related with formal school of sociology? George Mill, Tonis, Sorokin, Z. Bugle. So, as we know, that's formal school of sociology is by George Simmel, Tonis, but Sorokin is from synthetic school. This is very important topic and comes in many exams, like who is belong to formal school of sociology and who is belong to synthetic school of sociology. So formal school of sociology comes George Simmel, Max Weber and Tonis, while synthetic school of sociology comprises Sorokin, Emile Durkheim and Hobhouse. Question 6 is asking who has developed the concept of binary opposition in structural analysis? Merton, Parsons, Nadel, Levi-Strauss. So here our answer will be Levi-Strauss. Levi-Strauss gives binary opposition in which he gave concept of like kacha pakka, day night, and so these are binary opposition. Levi-Strauss is father of structural anthropology, and he gave a very famous concept of alliance theory. Merton gave the concept of latent function and manifest function. Parsons gave the theory of a concept of agile model, and books of Parsons are social system, and Asaf Nadel give the concept of associated roles. So moving on to the next question. Question 7 is asking the opposite of ethnocentrism is cultural relativism, xenocentrism, neocentrism, cultural imperialism. Before giving the answer of this question, we have to understand what is ethnocentrism. Ethnocentrism is concept given by William Graham Sumner, and he described the concept like when some people or some community consider their culture is superior to from another culture, then it's called ethnocentrism. So here question is asking what is opposite of ethnocentrism. So genocentrism is the opposite of ethnocentrism. Here some student might be confused with cultural relativism, but it is not correct, because cultural relativism is the cultural relativism is uh, uh, said that people should understand any particular culture from their perspective, not our own culture. So genocentrism is the in the genocentrism people consider their culture is inferior to another culture. So here answer will be genocentrism. Question number 8 is asking which of the following is not matched correctly? Reference group, R.K. Martin, human group, Max Weber, primary group, C.H. Cooley, out group, W.G. Sumner. So here correct answer will be human group, and human group is given by Kingsley Davis. No, human group is by George Homans. Human society is given by Kingsley Davis. So not to confuse with this. And we know that reference gives a group is given by R.K. Martin, in which R.K. Martin this described the reference group in his book of Social Theory and Social Structure. People are relate to another people, like if we can give example a person, a boy who is a boy who is a teenager and he likes the cricketer, he likes to play cricketer. So the person like Sachin Tendulkar and all the cricketers will be for him reference group, and he wants to like to be a like cricketer. Then references group is a person if he wants to be like another another person which is related to non-members group. I mean people who are not in our group or not our member. So reference this group is comparison to another group, and people think that they are superior, they are extraordinary, and people wants to be like their reference group person. It is can be positive or it can be negative. Negative reference are like thief, the cat, and people do not want to be like thief and like corrupt people. So these are negative reference group. Human group is by Humans. Primary group is by C.H. Cooley. C.H. Cooley said that in primary group there are we feelings and close to relations, face to face relations. Secondary group are those which are not permanent and which are temporary, which are established for a specific goal. Out group is by W.G. Sumner. Out group and secondary group somehow is similar. Out group are which group which of which we are not member, and in group are which group which are from which we are member. And in group we can say like primary group, and out group we can say like secondary group. So moving on to the next question. Match the following. And here are given thinkers name and concept. Ralph Linton, Zimmerman, Warner, Morgan, atomistic family, family of orientation, Punaluan family, conjugal and consanguine family. So we have to first match the easiest one. So Morgan give Punaluan family, D is equal to 3 comes in option 2. Ralph Linton give conjugal and consanguine family. Zimmerman, a domestic family. Warner is family of orientation. So correct answer is option 2. So conjugal, let's also understand what is this concept. Family of orientation are those in which we have person is born, and family of creation is those denote in which person marry and person procreate their children. So Punalwan family is stage in which marriages happen. Morgan gives 5 types of marriages: primitive communism, Punaluan, Sindaisman, patriarchal, and monogamy. So, atomistic family is given by Zimmerman. Moving on to the next question. Levirate is a form of caste interaction, form of contractual relationship, system of marriage, types of religious ritual. So levirate is happened when a person, if a person dies. So let's move on to the next question. Let me yeah. Levirate is in which a person dies, then women can marry a younger brother or elder brother of the his husband. So this is here question is asking, levirate is a form of caste interaction, form of contractual relationship, system of marriage, types of religious ritual. So here answer will be system of marriage. Answer should be system of marriage. So question number 11 is asking, who has written the book The Future of Marriage? J.C. Bernard, G.P. Murdoch, C.H. Cooley, H.M. Johnson. So correct answer here will be J.C. Bernard. Next question. Which one of the following is not included in Auguste Comte's 3 stages of social evolution? Theological, metaphysical, industrial, positive. So correct answer will be positive. We know that Auguste Comte gave 3 stages: theological, metaphysical, and positive. In theological stages, people were superstitious and believed that God is everything, and God is divine everything, and they considered cause of everything to God. While in metaphysical stage, people considered like natural things are responsible, the good or bad things. If any pandemic occurred, then people curse that God is angry and nature is angry to them. Then in positive stage, people were become rational, and they asking to question why this happened, and they did not believe like in to they did not consider cause of God or natural thing. They try to find out the real cause of the incident or anything. So so we can understand by a simple example of, if a person dies, then the person who considered theological, he said that the God has called him, and it is God's work. While the metaphysical person call this is the death is the rule, and it is the nature, person dies and person born. While the positive person will examine the body, why person died, and if a person they do postmortem, why person died, the diseases, and yes. So that's how Auguste Comte give 3 stages, law of 3 stages. So moving on to the next question. Which of the following is not types of society described by Mike O'Donnell? Traditional, modern, industrial, postmodern. So here I it is, let me guess, I'm not sure of the correct answer. Let me guess, it answer should be industrial. If I find differ, I will let you know. Question number 14 is asking three paths to definition of sociology described by Alex Inkells does not include the critical path, historical path, analytical path, empirical path. So here correct answer will be the critical path. Alex Inkells include that we have to and Alex Inkells says that definition of sociology there we should follow three paths like the historical path, the analytical path, the empirical path. In empirical path we should observe newspaper, magazine, and people were writing about like rural sociology, education, and all the things. While in the analytical path people have to question in analysis what is doing by another thinkers. In historical path we can get in the history how many persons describe and what they describe about the definition of sociology. So thus he gave three paths to definition of sociology. Moving on to the next question. Question 15 is asking Auguste Comte's book Positive Polity is 2 volume, 4 volume, 5 volume, 6 volume. So it has 6 volume. Question 16. A community is a total organization of social life. Is the statement given by Ogburn and Nimkov, Kimpalian, Kingsley Davis, McCarver, and Page. Total organization of social life. So here keyword should be total organization, and it should, I will guess in this question. So let me mark this doubt so I can clarify in next video. Question number 17 is asking who has written the book Contemporary India and its Modernization? O.M. Lynch, Andre Bette, S.C. Dubey, Y. Singh. So here correct answer will be S.C. Dubey. Acceptance of cultural goals and rejection of institutional means is called conformity, innovation, rebellion, ritualism. So we have to, this is question related from R.K. Martin. So he gives the 5 types of adaptation in which we can learn like C. So first it's wrong. First comes conformity, then comes innovation, then comes ritualism, then rebellion. So we have to make in person accept the cultural goals and rejection of institutional means. So here answer should be innovation. And rebellion do not follow any type of rejection. There should be plus minus, and confirmation is most considered of adaptation in which person follow the cultural goal as well as follow institutional means. So moving on to the next question, which is the basic element of culture? Symbol, value, relationship, norms. So basic element of culture should be symbols. In which book Karl Mannheim given the concept of direct and indirect control? Ideology and Utopia, Man and Society, Diagnosis of Our Time. So here correct answer will be Diagnosis of Our Time. Classificatory and descriptive terminology in kinship is given by Majumdar, Morgan, Murdoch, Tyler. So here correct answer will be Morgan. So let's find out what is the classificatory and descriptive terminology in kinship. Classificatory are those we can relate is like class, as my teacher taught us that classes belong to many, like we can consider the example of in Western, like uncle is considered in both our paternal or our maternal. Likewise, um, so class uncle is classificatory, and mother and father, which are denote a single person, that is descriptive. So mother and father, which is a single person, they comes in descriptive terminology. Moving on to the next question. Who explain the direct and indirect cooperation? McIver and Page. Oh, option 1 is Green, Leslie, McIver and Page, Gillen and Gillen. So here answer will be McIver and Page. The Jajmani system of rural India was basically exchange of services, intercaste relationship, both exchange of services and intercaste relationship, none of these. So here answer will be option number 3, both in exchange of services and intercaste relationship. The most essential characteristic of Indian caste system is its endogamous nature, its occupation-wise division, restriction on interpersonal, the idea of divine origin. So, what is most essential characteristic of Indian caste system? The its answer should be its occupation-wise division, because endogamous is also characteristic, but endogamous comes later. Likewise, if we consider the varnashram, so people are divided from varnashram. A certain type category people do this occupation, certain type category people do follow these occupation. So people are divided in occupation wise. That how caste system is work. 25. Who is the author of first principle? Durkheim, Spencer, Auguste Comte, Hegel. So here correct answer will be Spencer. Durkheim wrote Rules of Sociological Method, Suicide, The Division of Labor in Society, The Elementary Forms of Religious Life, Education and Society, like education or something more. Auguste Comte read the book of the Law of Three Stages, Positive Polity, and Spencer gave the concept of survival of the fittest. Hegel is the person who influenced Karl Marx and gave the concept of dialectic. Moving on to the next question. Sociology is the science of society or social phenomena. Whose view is this? Lester Ford, Durkheim, Peter Berger, McIver and Page. So let me guess answer of this question because I'm not sure. So answer should be Lester Ford. Moving on to the next question. When a girl of the higher caste is married to a boy of the lower caste, the system is known as Oved, Anulom, Pratilom, Surrogate. So here answer will be Pratilom. When the girl is higher caste and boy is lower caste, then this type of marriage called Pratiloma. In English it is called hypogamy, and in which the girl is lower caste and boy is higher caste, then it will be Anuloma, which is called hypergamy. COVID is a practice. Now, COVID is a terminology, or we can it is practiced in Khasi tribe, in which a husband lead to the invalid life of wife. Like if his wife is pregnant, then husband had to follow all this routine, all these things which his wife doing. So it is followed in Khasi tribe. And last option is saying sororate. Sororate is a type of marriage in which a person marry with his wife's sister if his wife died. So moving on to the next question. Who said that social control is an extension of the socialization process? J.F. Fisher, Horton and Hart, Parsons, E.A. Ross. So we know that E.A. Ross wrote a book like Social Control. So this question is related to him. According to Durkheim, which of the following is an index of organic solidarity? Destitutive law, repressive law, homogeneity, and collective conscience. So, which of the following is an index of organic solidarity? So, we can eliminate like repressive law, homogeneity, collective conscience is related to more mechanical solidarity, while restitutive law is the characteristic of organic solidarity. So here correct answer will be restitutive law. Moving on to the next question. Who has given concept of cultural reproduction? Merton, Parson, Giddens, P. Bourdieu. So here correct answer will be P. Bourdieu. Bourdieu given the concept of cultural reproduction. Giddens give the concept of structuration, risk society, and he give the he gives many important concept, and he wrote many books which is very important, and he currently he alive. So he is from he is a British thinker, and he belong to postmodernist or post-structuralist thinker. So Anthony Giddens is very important thinker and contribute more in sociology. Parsons, as we know, Parsons is belong to functionalist and give the theory of agile and sick role and social system. Mertens is belong to structural functionalist, and Mertens give the concept of middle range theory. Moving on to the next question. Cultural lag means lag between culture of two society, lag between material culture and non-material culture, lag between past and present culture, lag between western and eastern culture. So here correct answer will be lag between material culture and non-material culture. As we know that this concept is given by William G. Orban, and he says that there are two types of culture. First is material culture and second is non-material culture. Cultural lag happens when material culture material culture exceed than non-material culture. Then cultural lag is happened. This and in this similar lag, there is also concept of technological lag, in which technology is late to non-material culture. Which one of the following is not an example of ascribed status? Options are status as Brahmin, status as doctor, status as a doctor's son, status as a son. So here we have to find it because answer is very confusing. Status as a Brahman. Brahman is made by birth, so it is ascribed status. Status as let's find another option. Status as a doctor's son. Doctor's son is also ascribed because son is born. Status as a son is ascribed. Status as a doctor. Doctor is not born, doctor is become. So here it is achieved status. Correct answer is status as a doctor. Question number 33 is asking which one of the following statements is correct? Social change and cultural change are the same. An example of cultural change is also essentially an example of social change. Social change and cultural change are opposite. Social change is part of cultural change. So answer are very confusing. Let's find in हिंदी वर्जन. सामाजिक और सांस्कृतिक परिवर्तन एक ही चीज़ है. सामाजिक और सांस्कृतिक परिवर्तन के दायरे एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल स्वतंत्र हैं. सामाजिक और सांस्कृतिक परिवर्तन विरोधी हैं. सामाजिक परिवर्तन सांस्कृतिक परिवर्तन का एक भाग है. सांस्कृतिक परिवर्तन सामाजिक परिवर्तन का एक भाग है. So question in English version, social change is a part of cultural change. So it's also essentially an example of social change. So most probably answer should be option number 2 or option number 4. So I will go with option number 2. Not considering in Hindi version it because meaning are different in Hindi or English. which I can interpret. Which one of the following statement is correct? Social norms are universal. Social norms are situational. All the social norms are equally important for society. Social norms are more or less static. So social norms are situational because we can consider which norm some norms are followed in India is not valid in US. So social norms are situational. It is related to the specific society, not all the society. Next question is asking role conflict means conflict between two persons playing different roles. Roles which necessarily lead to conflict. To play two inconsistent roles simultaneously, conflict between two generations. So first option is already cancelled because it is not related, not considered two person. It is related for one person of two roles. So conflict between two person playing different role is not wrong. Roles which necessarily lead to conflict, it is also not right. To play two inconsistent roles simultaneously, conflict between two generations. So option more will be option C is correct. Who has propounded the concept of technological lag? As we also said that technological lag is given by McIver and Page. Juvenile Justice Act 1986 was implemented on 2 October 1986, 14th November 1986 to October 1987, 14th November 1987. So most probably it will be 1987. Let me know if the answer are different. How many classes of residues Pareto had identified? So here correct answer will be 6. Authority denotes arbitrary authority, legitimate authority, dominance over others, power over others. So authority is legitimate authority. Which mechanism of social control is not explained by Parsons? Direct mechanism, positive mechanism, therapeutic mechanism, negative mechanism. So here correct answer will be therapeutic mechanism. Question number 41 is asking who defines social action in terms of subjective meaning of the actor? It will be Max Weber because Max Weber said that we have to understand social action by the meaning. Like he gave a very famous example of two cyclists uh, who accident and then exchange their blows. So this is called social action. When the two cyclists collide and they move on, then it will not be social action. So social action exchange their conversation or the action or reaction. Question number 42 is asking which of the following statements is wrong? Community is a specific of society. Community is concrete, but the society is abstract. Community involves both likeness and differences. Community is situated in definite locality. So option 4 is definitely correct. Community is situated in definite locality. Community involves both likeness and differences. Community is concrete but society is abstract. Community is specific species of society. So here correct answer should be option number 3. For Weber, capitalism did not arise in India because Indians are lazy. There was diversity of religions. Hinduism emphasized otherworldly rewards. Technology was not available. So Max Weber gives the concept of otherworldly and this worldly, and Hinduism follow otherworldly rewards. Otherworldly are this. In Hinduism, we also motivate that you have to do this work so that in next life you can live a better life, and if any person does the wrong, then people say that it is the result of last life. So they do the work for betterment of the in life after death. But in Protestant, there was a belief that the Protestant believe this worldly system in which they do for the betterment of this world, and they do for the sake of glory of the God. They said that we have to make heaven for the God, and they did not uh, earn profit to their luxurious life. They do for the glory of God, and they said that it is their duty to make heaven for the God. So the this ethic of religion make happen capitalism in Protestant and in Western society. Moving on to the next question. Match the following: the Hindu Widow Remarriage Act, the Hindu Marriage Act, Special Marriage Act, Sati Prevention Act. So we first match the easiest one. The Hindu Marriage Act is 1955. 2 is equal to D. 2 is equal to D. It comes in option 4. The Hindu Widow Remarriage Act is 1856. Special Marriage Act is 1954. Sati Prevention Act is 1829. So our correct answer will be option number 4. Let me check. Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Yeah, correct. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following be a factor of social change? Ideology, population, technology, human instinct. Factor of social change. Ideology, population, human instinct. What will be factor of social change? Technology. So answer should be technology. Let me know if the answer differs. Which of the following is not the basis of ascribed status? Caste membership, class membership, kinship, race membership. So here answer will be class membership, because class we made, not we are found by birth. Which of the following theories describe the Marxian interpretation of profit? Theory of value, theory of wages, theory of surplus value, all of these. So correct answer should be theory of surplus value, not all of the above should be. So question number 48 is asking, the Hindu Marriage Act does not allow marriage on the father's side within 5 generation, and from mother's side it will be 3 generation. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Role making, role taking, role shade, role distance. So role distance is given by Goffman, not Sorokin. So our correct answer will be option number 4. Which one of the following is not an example of primary group? Family, peer group, caste association, neighborhood. So it will be caste association, because caste association is not a community, it is made. So it is not a primary group. So here I have solved 50 questions of RPSC paper. In next video I will solve remaining the question. So keep watching. Thank you so much.